everyone, welcome back to this channel. I hope you all are doing good, and today's video we are going to talk about hydration. When the lockdown started, I thought this is the best time that I can finally start drinking water, because I always blamed on my schedules and college and everything for not drinking enough water and not having water bottle with me always. And to be honest, I did drink water for few days, once a week, sometime, okay, and after that I have been noticing from the past month or so that I have started drinking so less water again, which I always did, but yeah, I don't even drink a full bottle, so that's quite an issue. So I want to tackle it. I know some of you also don't drink water, so together we are going to learn more about water and take 30 days challenge and try to drink water. You know, human babies are 75% water. Now you do. We all know drinking water has certain benefits, but are you drinking enough water? Are you? Because I'm not. So today we are going to revise, relearn all the benefits of drinking water and the downsides of not drinking enough water, along with which we are also starting a 30-day challenge of drinking water. Yeah, and we are going to try and drink water every day, a specific amount that we have set for ourselves, and track it. I'm going to link the worksheet down and you can just download it for free. So like a month or so, I will try to share my own experience and what did I learn, if I did learn anything. So the first thing we are going to talk about is the downside of not drinking enough water. I'm going to start with this so that we better grasp the benefits of drinking water. Yeah. So downside of not drinking enough water include low energy level, headaches, weight gain, constipation, dull skin, dry mouth, and also sugar cravings. These all are the downsides of not drinking water, and there are so many more which I have not included because I thought weight loss is enough for many people, and dull skin and also low energy level and headache, so I just stopped there. Now you will be thinking, if humans are 70% water, then why should we even bother drinking water? We are already water, right? So the thing is, daily we keep losing water through many excretion processes like sweating, breathing and crying, which you do regularly. I know you do. So with this we are going to go to the second point, which is benefits of drinking water. It lubricates the joints, increases energy levels, improves brain function, prevents headaches, and aids in weight loss. Now that we know what are the downsides of not drinking enough water and the benefits of drinking water, the question comes, how much water should we drink? Traditionally, we have always been told to drink 2 liters of water or 8 glasses. But to be honest, it is not similar for everyone. Like every other thing, many people like drinking 5 glasses, many 6 and many 8. Some people do drink more than 8 glasses because it is good for their body. So you have to just listen to your body and not do it because others are doing. By now we have almost learned everything about water, and you will be like, if water is so good for me, why don't I drink it like all day? There's no harm, I can just keep on drinking it. Is drinking too much water harmful for us? Yes, it is. It can cause so much harm to your brain, your organs, your body and your life. And in extreme cases, like I said, in your life, people can die in extreme cases, but still. Okay, so by now you're convinced that drinking water is so good for you and you are ready to take on the 30-day challenge, but the only problem is you don't like the taste of water. Yeah? Let's fix that for you. There are so many ways you can make your water taste better. Many people like drinking water as it is, but if you don't like the taste of water, you can always add other things to make it taste tastier. Easiest way is to slice lemon or orange and mix that with your water. It will definitely make your water taste better. Or there are many other things that you can add to your water like honey, lemon, apple cider vinegar, mint, cucumber. There are so many things. So you can add all of them and make your water taste better. You can also add ginger. You can also add vegetables and fruits that have high quantity of water in your diet. For example, cucumber, apples, broccoli, melon, banana. These are some of the examples, berries that you can inculcate in your diet. You always wanted to keep yourself hydrated but somehow did not, and were always a dehydrated person. So we are going to do this together and take on the 30-day challenge, in which we will drink water every day. And for me, I'm going to try and drink 2 bottles every day, because I think that's enough for me. You can increase or decrease as per your needs, as you think you need. So this is my water bottle, I think, for now. Yeah, which is like not so filled, but yeah. So I'm going to drink 2 water bottles along with glass of water in the morning, and that's what I will do and try to do the whole month. I will keep a track of my drinking, and I'll also share my experience with you all, and we'll make a specific video for it next month and share my experience. Did I even track anything? Did I drink water? And if yes, what benefits did I see? Also comment below if you are ready to take on this challenge, and together we can start drinking water and try to drink water, because I know the person who does not drink water only knows kitna mushkil hota hai ye, and we are going to try and drink water. So with this, I'm going to go and drink water. I'm going to go and fill this bottle and drink water, and so should you. If you are watching this video till now, then go and grab your glass of water and drink it. Okay, and meet you in the next video. Till then, you can download the worksheet and keep a track of your water drinking habits. So meet you in the next video. Bye bye.